Title: Hubble. The Eye in the Sky Space Explorer Series EP. 1 opening sequence, 0 o'clock, 2010. Visual stars, galaxies, and the Hubble Space Telescope slowly orbiting Earth. Ambient music begins softly, narrator voiceover. In the cold silence of space, one eye has been watching. Capturing the secrets of the universe? Segment 1. What is Hubble? 011 to 045? Visual montage of Hubble being launched by Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990. It's floating above Earth narrator. This is the Hubble Space Telescope, a marvel of science and vision. Launched in 1990, it orbits 540 kilometers above Earth, peering deep into time and space. Visual transition to Hubble's lens pointing at a nebula. It's not just a telescope, it's humanity's time machine. It sees galaxies as they were millions and billions of years ago. Segment 2. Hubble's greatest discoveries, 046 to 125. Visual time-lapse of Hubble's iconic deep field image narrator. Thanks to Hubble, we've seen over 100 billion galaxies in a single image, the birth and death of stars, even signs of water vapor on distant exoplanets. Visual. Exploding star. Nebulae. Exoplanet transit animation. Hubble confirmed that the universe is expanding, faster than we thought. It rewrote what we know about black holes, dark matter, and the Big Bang itself. Segment 3. Challenges and Legacy 126 to 2 o'clock. Visual footage of spacewalks repairing Hubble. Narrator, it hasn't been easy. Hubble was flawed at launch, but in one of NASA's greatest missions, astronauts risked everything to fix it in orbit. Visual, heroic astronaut Eva seen. And now, over 35 years later, Hubble is still sending back images. Vibrant, haunting, beautiful. Closing, looking ahead 201 to 230. Visual. Hubble fading into background as James Webb Telescope comes into view. Narrator. As the James Webb Telescope takes the torch, Hubble's legacy endures. A pioneer that showed us the vast, stunning truth of what lies beyond. Visual. Zoom into a galaxy. Fade to black. Music swells. Text on screen. To the stars and beyond. Call to action. 232 to 35. Narrator. Like, share, and follow for more journeys through space. Video type suggestions. Voiceover. Use tools like Eleven Labs or Plate for realistic narration. Video editor. CapCut. DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro stock free visuals. NASA Archives. Pixabay. Pexels. Space category.